Hello Assam people, Guwahati, Northeast India guys. Peace from Africa, your African boy Gabs Gabi. I'm from South Sudan guys. And from Meghalaya, I'm now in Guwahati guys. You can go and watch my Shillong Meghalaya videos. So I'm in Guwahati, Assam guys. And I can't wait to explore and to try your local and the cultural stuff guys. So the first thing I'm doing now, I'm also foodie guys. So I choose to go for the Assamese Thali guys, Guwahati Thali. So this is the chicken curry, and we have here the dal. This is like kind of a veg, potato fried, and potato curry, lemon guys, and rice and some pickle. It is only in Northeast India where the lemon looks so that big guys. So I can't wait to try and to rate your food guys. Yeah. So let's start guys. Starting first with the chicken. Yeah, the chicken. Starting first with the chicken. Let me have a selfie, show you everything so far. Yeah. Okay, let's start. Don't get choked. In Africa, we also eat with our hands, guys. So, starting first. I don't know, how do you call this one, guys? I don't know the name of it. But let me have a try. So the chicken curry first. Mix with rice. One bite more. It's tasty guys. I love the chicken curry, and what I love about this chicken curry is that like it's not that too much spicy. It's medium, and it's kind of a thick gravy. Like it's kind of a chicken curry, but for me I see it like it's thick. It's a curry but thick curry guys, not like watery, but it's thick. And the chicken also so softened and tender. I love the chicken. From 1 to 10, I'll give it 8.5 guys. 8.5 for the chicken curry. I love it. I love it. I'll definitely finish it. I'll definitely finish it. Yeah. So let me come to, this is aloo or potato curry. Let me try it. It is mixed guys with some chana, small chana masala. Let me give one more bite. It is really super guys. It is super nice and so thick. I like it. This is also 8. So let me try this one. They're veg, fried potato. It's kind of mix some vegetables. It's good. Yeah, this one, how do you call it? Tell me guys. Super. This is dal. They're dal. The dal is also tasty guys. The dal is so tasty. Everything is 9. Overall, I'm rating this food guys. Overall, I'm giving it 9 guys. I'm giving it 9, and definitely I'm gonna finish this food, and I will prove for you that it is really tasty. And it's my first time to taste or eating Assam food guys. Assamese Thali. Wow, this is the best. I love it guys. And yeah, I'm just so happy to share this with you. Make sure to watch more. I'm now going to the market and I'll be trying a lot of stuff and visiting other places. I don't have much time to, to be here, but I'll make sure to explore the city also, guys. Love you all. You can teach me some words in Assam, and you can also tell me other famous food also here, because I came to know that also they eat duck, you know, duck, like that. Yeah, it's my favorite, guys, but I didn't get it here. But anyway, see you all. Love from Africa. Thank you so much. I'm done with my Assamese Thali, guys. It was really amazing and first experience ever. So as I told you, I'm coming from, like I have been in Meghalaya already, Shillong, guys. So what is different is that different. Like, let me just speak little bit the difference between the Assam and Meghalaya food, because in Meghalaya, guys, okay, hi, how are you? Fine. Okay, so in Meghalaya, guys, Shillong, most of their food is like they love also eating rice, and they have famous food like jado, jastem, and like, okay, what is different is that, like, see, here the Assamese Thali, they cook it like a curry, okay, the chicken is a curry, and there they love making chicken like kind of a fry. Yeah, you know it, right? Yes, you know that. So they cook it like curry, like, but just, okay, what I'm trying to say, just know the food, Assamese food and Shillong food is totally different, guys. They have big difference, but I love both their food, guys. I love both the food of Meghalaya and Assam, because where I'm staying, I stay in Andhra Pradesh, guys. I'm studying there. I complete my study engineering there. So what is different is that, like, that side, Andhra Pradesh, guys, their food is very spicy, like super spicy, guys. But since I came northeast, guys, like, I'm so easy to adjust with the food, like even from Shillong and Assam also I tried today. So I'm just happy with the food, guys. So far I'm in one market. I don't know the name of this market. They say they call it what? I think I have to ask someone about the name of this market. Yeah, but I'm here to explore also. What is the name of this market? The name of this market? Paltan Bazaar. Okay, thank you. So I'm in Paltan Bazaar market, guys. It's my first time to be out here also. So I'm gonna explore that, and I'm gonna try so many things outside here. Yeah, so can't wait to share the experience. So far, this is all about the food, guys. Make sure to like, stay tuned. Love you all. I'm here to explore the Northeast. Love from Africa.